My name is Barbara Malagoli. I'm a freelance illustrator. I come from Brazil. I was born in São Paulo and I moved to London in 2018 to focus on my illustration career. My work is about the feminine, the surrealism, the astral, the cosmos. My workshop is about exploring the feminine, so all the students, they're gonna pick one female character that inspired them, and by the end of the week they're gonna do a poster with like typography on them, with like a word or a quote that inspired them by the female that they choose. And it's about illustration and it's about inspiration and feminism at the same time. All the people in the school, they are so amazing, so nice. It's been like amazing, and just the feeling of being like a French teacher for 1 week, I will never forget that. The tarot card is a really good reference for you. So if you want to just like research more, to have some ideas, try new layouts, or just work on this, no, it's good, just keep doing. If you try to just add a drawing there, it's not gonna work, but because this is already their own thing. My advice to becoming like a nice designer, illustrator, creative, for me, like the first thing is know yourself, know what you like, know what you don't like, and surround yourself with creative people that support you, because being with people that are always creating, has like this positive energy, is the main thing to be a happy person, a happy artist.